She will never share her body if you don't follow these steps, no matter how long you got or how long you has. If you really want her body again and again, then you must know these facts. Mostly men don't know these facts, that's why their girl go behind other or cheat on them. You can skip this video if you are gay. Let's jump into video. 1. Sex shouldn't hurt for her at all. 2. Every time you get an orgasm, you should give an orgasm. 3. Remind her of how beautiful her naked body is, even her tummy flab and cellulite. 4. Start paying way more attention to her clit. 5. Kiss her neck. Kiss her neck. Kiss her neck. 6. Don't call her a slut or push her head down unless you know she's into that. 7. Buy her lingerie, but don't pressure her to wear it. 8. Make direct eye contact while you thrust. 9. Don't assume she can bend herself into ridiculous positions. That shit hurts. 10. Pull her hair, unless it's in an updo that took her an hour to finish. 11. Foreplay for as long as you can take it. 12. Don't let her do all of the work. 13. Go down on her as often as she goes down on you, or more. 14. Buy a vibrator. Use it on her while you fuck her. 15. Gentle sex is good, but rough sex can be even better. 16. Consent is key, even if you're already dating her. 17. Have sex outside of the bedroom. Try the couch, the shower, or even the car. 18. Always have condoms close by. 19. Suck on an ice cube before going down on her. 20. Role play when sex starts feeling stale. The cop and prisoner act never gets old. 21. Keep the room clean. Even light some candles if you're feeling fancy. 22. Talk to her. Your voice is more of a turn-on than you think. 23. Use lube, so she's extra comfortable. 24. Initiate it at different times of day. Most women love morning sex. 25. Keep yourself well groomed down there. She doesn't want stray hairs in her mouth. 26. Listen for her moans. Then keep doing whatever it is that causes those moans. 27. Touch her breasts with your hands, lips, and tongue. 28. Don't wear childish boxers. It can be a total turn-off. 29. Ask her what she wants. She'll actually tell you. 30. Cuddle with her when you're finished. If you feel those facts are useful for you, then please subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. All the best, boys.